today I'm changing the air filter on the Audi A4 B8 1.8T. First off, I'm going to remove this cover so that I can access the air filter. With all of those out, then we can carefully lift off the cover, exposing the air filter. I can just pick it. And there we go. It's quite dirty. It's been here for I think a couple of kilometers. So there's the old one. I'm not using Fabi as a replacement. Good quality product. Here's a brand new clean air filter. As you can see, it goes back in the same way. The other one came out. So it literally drops in there and sits nicely. It comes in sits nicely. And I'm gonna start now tightening all my T30s.